Researchers are looking into the benefits of starving.
Did you know that fasting for just 3 days can actually reset your entire immune system? Sounds a bit like science fiction, right? But it's true. According to researchers at the University of Southern California, fasting for 72 hours can kickstart your body's immune system by producing new white blood cells. This could help fight off infections better than ever. So let's talk about what really happens during a 3-day water fast and how it can change your health, whether that's for weight loss, immunity, or overall wellness. Stick around, we're about to dive deep into the science behind this practice. What is a 3-day water fast? Okay, let's start with the basics. A 3-day water fast means consuming only water for 72 hours. No food, no snacks, and definitely no sugary drinks. Just water. It might sound a bit extreme, but people who swear by it claim it has a ton of benefits. From weight loss to boosting your immune system, fasting seems to have some serious perks. But what does the science say? Let's break it down. 1. Immune system reset. First up, one of the most impressive benefits of fasting, an immune system reset. A study by the University of Southern California found that after just 3 days of fasting, your body regenerates an entirely new immune system. How does it work? Fasting stimulates stem cells to produce new white blood cells, which are critical for fighting infections. So essentially, you're giving your immune system a fresh start. Pretty wild, right? 2. Cellular autophagy. Next, we've got something called autophagy. It's a fancy word, but it's pretty important. Autophagy is your body's self-cleaning process. During a fast, your cells start breaking down and removing damaged parts, kind of like cleaning out your closet. All that junk gets recycled and used for energy. This process helps repair cells and tissues, and it's even been linked to reducing the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer. So, not only are you fasting, but you're actually giving your body a much-needed reset on a cellular level. 3. Weight loss and metabolic health. Now let's talk about weight loss. Fasting pushes your body into ketosis. Basically, your body switches from burning glucose to burning fat for fuel. Studies show that this can lead to significant fat loss, which is why a lot of people try fasting for weight management. But a little heads up, the weight you lose in just 3 days is mostly water weight, so it might come back once you start eating normally again. 4. Cardiovascular benefits. Did you know fasting can also benefit your heart? Research suggests that fasting might improve markers like blood pressure and cholesterol. In fact, a study found that fasting could reduce bad cholesterol and triglycerides, both of which contribute to heart disease. However, this effect isn't permanent, and it's most beneficial when paired with a long-term healthy lifestyle. 5. Stem cell regeneration. And here's another cool fact. Fasting can help regenerate stem cells. A study from Columbia University found that fasting, followed by eating normally, helps rejuvenate old stem cells, boosting their ability to regenerate tissue. This process could have huge implications for aging and even recovery from injuries. So, if you're looking to keep your body in top shape, this is definitely something to consider. Now, before you get too excited, let's talk about the risks. Fasting for 3 days isn't for everyone. One of the big concerns is nutrient deficiencies. Since you're not eating, you're missing out on essential vitamins and minerals, which can affect your overall health. And ironically, while you're drinking water, if you don't get enough electrolytes, you could end up dehydrated. Plus, if you have any underlying medical conditions like diabetes or heart disease, fasting might not be safe without professional guidance. Here's a fun fact. Fasting isn't just a modern-day trend. It's actually been practiced for thousands of years. Ancient cultures like the Egyptians and Greeks used fasting for both religious and health reasons. It's fascinating to see how this practice has stood the test of time, and now science is starting to back up what our ancestors knew all along. So, is the 3-day water fast worth it? The benefits are definitely there, regenerating your immune system, promoting cellular repair, and even improving heart health. But remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Always consult with a healthcare professional before diving into a fast, especially if you have any health concerns. If you've ever tried fasting, I'd love to hear your experiences. So don't forget to drop a comment below.